head over to search and type in control panel. Click on it. Once you're on it, where it says view by, you want to make sure that it's on large icons, and then you want to click on sound. Once you're on this, you want to make sure that your speakers that you want to use are set as a default device. So you want to click on it and then click on set default, and then this green tick will appear. You also want to right click on it and then make sure that your speakers have been enabled. So if it says disable right here, it means it has been enabled. And then you want to right click on it again and then click on properties. Then you want to click on levels and you want to make sure that this has not been muted. So make sure that it's not muted. And then click on OK. For the second method, you want to head over to the web browser that you're trying to access Google Meet on. So for me, it's going to be Chrome. You want to click on the three dots in the top right and then click on settings. Then you want to head over to privacy and security. Then you want to click on site settings. Scroll down till you find microphone, click on that. And then you want to make sure that sites can ask to use your microphone. Make sure that it's ticked. If you're using a different web browser, then just type in the search settings microphone and then try to look for a page like this. For the third method, we're going to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. Once you're on it, we're going to click on privacy and security. Then we're going to scroll down and then click on microphone. Then you want to make sure that microphone access has been enabled. And you want to make sure that let apps access your microphone has also been enabled. And you want to scroll down and look for Google Meet. And then you want to enable that as well. Once you complete everything in this video, restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.